Are you comfortable there? Hello, good people on the internet. I just came home from work. As I was going home, I got a message. There was something in my mailbox. It's here. This is so exciting. Oh, am I stupid for crying right now? Oh my god. Good morning. So I'm going to get ready with a full face of Fenty. I'm gonna make myself Fenty Fresh. Sorry, perfect and Fenty Fresh with the products that I got. So I just finished my makeup, but I got another message saying that there's another package in my mailbox. So I'm gonna go get that. All right, so I got it. I'm gonna put you, so I got it, but I think this is more like info about what we're gonna go through today. Yes, it is. Oh, exciting. This is a product Bible for the Fenty line that we're gonna carry. Here it is. I'm about to cry. This is emotional. I have to go get ready for the event. But yeah, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be exciting. We're getting Fenty! Ah! Can't wait.
Foundation for the no makeup days. It just evens out my skin tone and delivers a soft blurring finish. I wanted to make sure there's a foundation option for all types of people and all different types of lifestyles. So if you don't like full coverage, or if you're someone who wears like a tinted moisturizer, this one's for you.
The course is done and my mind is fried. I also became chilly when I sat in my couch, but this is gonna be so exciting. I'm so excited for this brand to hit the shelves. Oh my God. successful launch this morning, and I didn't want to film too much at work, but at least you got to see the stand, and it's just it's so beautiful, and this warms my heart so much. And I've just been all over the place today, and some of the customers might have gotten a little too much of me, but yeah, it's been an amazing day, and I just thought it would be fun if I showed you some of the goodies that I brought home with me today. So my favorite way to apply foundation is a sponge. So I got the Precision makeup sponge. Never tried this, so it will be very exciting. It reminds me of the Morphe sponge, so let's put it to the test, shall we? And then I also got the loose setting powder in butter. I think this is a good color. I mean, the packaging, it's just looks so sleek. This does remind me of the packaging to Jaclyn Hill, so I'm like, was she inspired by someone or what? And I also had to get one of the Kilowatt highlighters. I have the Diamond Veil, so I mean, look. I have swatched it, yes. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to try this out. I do have the soft matte primer, but I also wanted to get the true soft silk. This is more for a dry skin, so it looks like that. Of course, me and setting spray, we're kind of in a committed relationship, so of course I had to get the What It Do. I love that name for this. So eyeshadow is my jam. I love eyeshadow, and as I've mentioned in a previous video, I'm always in the market for a good gold shade, but I'm also in the market for a good green shade. And when I saw this palette, I was like, I have to have it. Look it. Look, I freaking love Halloween. Did you get the reference? But it's so beautiful, and I mean, look at that gold shade right there. Oh my god, I'm so excited. That is number 10 in money. And last but certainly not least, the moment we've all been waiting for, well, at least me, I had to get, this is the, I don't know if you can see it. It's the uncensored Stunner lip paint, and I've been dying to try this out. I actually have it swatched on. I have it swatched on my hand right there. I don't know if you can see it. Hello, neighbor. I have it swatched right there. So freaking cool. So nice. I mean, that's the perfect red. The search is over. That's perfect red. So that was some of the goodies that I brought home with me today. If you made it this far in this vlog, then thank you so much for watching. It's been a journey. I'm really excited to see where this journey moves forward. If you want to see the Fenty Beauty products, if you live in the area, then stop by a Federico Luisa store. And yeah, if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you like me, then please subscribe. And until next time, bye. Mwah.